Now, let's discuss lesson 1, division of polynomials using long division muna. Sa lesson 2 yung synthetic. Again, we will now be discussing how to divide polynomials using long division first. Okay? So, before we start, in general, when a polynomial is divided by another polynomial, we express the result in the following form. So, P of x over D of x is equal to Q of x plus R of x over D of x, in which yung P of x natin dito ay tinatawag nating dividend. Ito yung hahatiin. Okay? Your D of x here is called the divisor. Siyang maghahati. Okay? Q of x here is called the quotient. Yung sagot kapag nahati mo na yung dividend. Pag ang dividend dinivide sa divisor, ang sagot doon ay quotient. Next, yung R of x natin ay tinatawag nating remainder. So, ito yung remainder. Ito yung natira. Okay? Example, say 27 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 times 2, 2. And 7, bring down 7. 7 divided by 2, 3. Times 2, 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So, kapag sinulat mo yan ng ganito, magiging 27 is your dividend. 2 is your divisor. And then 13 is the quotient. And your remainder is positive. So, plus 1 as your remainder over your divisor. This is your divisor. And that is 2. Okay? So, technically, if you will use long division, parang ganito lang din siya. But, since we are dealing with polynomials, medyo mas komplikado siya ng very, very light.